In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a vacation responder in Gmail. If you're going to be away from your email for a while, turning on a vacation responder is a simple way to let people know you may not reply right away. This can be helpful if you're taking time off, traveling, or just want to make sure anyone who emails you gets an automatic response with the right expectations. Gmail makes this feature very easy to set up, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can get it done in just a few moments. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once your inbox has loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. When that menu opens, choose See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where Gmail gives you access to a wide range of account options. You should now be in the General tab. If you're not, click on General at the top of the settings area. From here, scroll down through the page until you find the section labeled Vacation Responder. This is where you control Gmail's automatic reply feature. When you locate that section, select Vacation Responder on. As soon as you enable it, several fields will appear for you to fill in. First, choose your start date. This tells Gmail when the automatic reply should begin. You can also set an end date if you want the responder to turn off automatically after a certain period. That part is optional, but it can be useful if you already know when you'll be back. Next, enter your subject line. This should be something short and clear, so recipients immediately understand that it's an automatic reply. Then type the message you want people to receive. Keep your message polite and direct. For example, you may want to mention that you're currently away, that your response may be delayed, and when they can expect to hear back from you. If needed, you can also include alternative contact information in a general way, without sharing anything sensitive. Once everything looks good, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. That's it. Your vacation responder is now active based on the dates and message you set. Before you leave the page, it's a good idea to quickly review your message for tone, spelling, and clarity. A well-written auto response helps maintain professionalism and gives senders a better idea of what to expect while you're away.